there comes a point in every woman's journey where she has to take on the battle of gray hairs. So that is a battle that I have taken on because it's come for me. And so if you're interested in seeing how I tackle this battle, please stay tuned. So my name is Amanya, and this is the Art Word Lounge. Thank you for joining me, and let's get into it. So this is the aftermath. I've colored my hair. I had a lot of gray, and I don't see them anymore. And so I don't see them anymore. I think it worked. So if you're interested in seeing how I turned my gray in this area into what you're seeing now, stay tuned. So the 3 ingredients that I used is lemon juice, henna, and indigo. Now, when you set it up, the lemon juice and the henna, it takes you have to do it for a couple of hours. You have to let it sit for about 3 hours. The only problem for me with this was that it took the whole day. So I suggest if you're going to do this, you give it the whole day. There's nothing else that you're doing. You're not leaving the house and yeah. So 3 hours for it to set. And then after that, once you put the henna and the product in your hair, another 3 hours for it to sit in your hair. And then once that goes through, then the indigo, another 3 hours for that. So I ended up going to sleep with it in my head because by the time I had no more hours left. So, and I'm glad I did because the longer you keep it in, the better the coloring will be. So, yeah. So let's go. So I purchased my products from a local store. I could have pressed a button and had Amazon deliver it, but I knew where I could find the product locally. So I went and got it from there. But I'm sure you can press a button and Amazon will deliver. And you could probably find it in your own local health food stores. Okay? Thank you.